now because you come in between, you're doing all this. When the class starts, I will wish everybody. That's all. Good morning to all. Take out your maths class work and get ready. Before that, I will ask you certain questions connected with time. Yes, now children, don't write anything now. I'm going to ask you certain questions. After that, we'll start. Please sit properly. Sit back. Nothing to write now. Keep your pencil inside your classwork note and just look at the screen. But I'm not going to ask you what is written on the screen. It's just good morning and classwork note. Okay, I'm not going to tell you that now. I want to see you all answering first. Akshara, pay attention. Now, we are just, don't write anything, children. Nothing to write now. You have to listen. Close all your classwork note with your pencil inside and sit up straight. Now, I'm going to ask you certain questions and I'm going to give you marks over here. Okay. Marks. I'll just keep this here and I'll start. Yesterday we completed with 20. I'm going to start from 21 today. Inian, please come on the screen. Inian. Yes, Inian, not there. Yes, Inian. I'm just going to ask you a question. Don't write anything, please. Inian. The day after Monday is. I just want you to tell me the day after Monday. Inian?
Tuesday.
Very good. Now, the day before Monday is. Jasiel, the day before Monday. Jasiel.
Then before Monday.
Only the name you say, the day before Monday. Yes, Jasiel. Yes?
Sunday, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Now, 1 minute. Jake.
Yes.
Dash comes just after Thursday. Dash comes just after Thursday.
Friday.
Very good. Children, other children are not supposed to disturb me. Akshara, please pay attention. Akshara, look in front and sit. And others, please move from that place. Parents or whoever it is, let them speak. Let them pay attention. Don't be going on talking to them. And it's disturbing me too. Now, next child is Jashu Olivan. Hurry up, Jashu. Fast. Jashu. Not there. Yes, Jashu. Good morning. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, louder. You have to speak louder. All must hear. November has dash days. How many days in November? Jashu, 31 or 30? Soon. If you don't know, you must tell I don't know, ma'am. You don't know. Okay, Johannes Thomas. Johan, how many days in November? Hurry up. Jonathan Paul. By the time I'm asking question, others must find out the answer. Jonathan. Judah. Jashu, turn off your mic. Judah. How many days in November? Fast. Kabir Singh. Kabir. No, Manu, no need of raising hand and all that.
Yes, ma'am.
Kabir, how many days in November? No sending messages, please, children. Attend class. Kabir, Kabir, tell me. How many days in November? See how many children I asked. By the time you can ask, you can find out the answer, no, children? Kabir, no. Manu, how many days? Rahil, behave yourself, Rahil. And she's going to get from me now. Really, I'm going to remove you from the class. Yes, Manu, tell me the answer. Okay, now I'm coming back to 2A. Anandit, how many days in November?
Ma'am,
Yes?
Anandit has fever.
November has how many days? 31 or 30?
31, ma'am.
No, it's wrong. Now just leave it. Cyrus, tell me how many days in November?
30 days, ma'am.
30 days. Very good. Now, children, we are just going back to the presentation. And those who are misbehaving, I am going to give a report today to Principal Ma'am because this is too much. Every day it's happening. Today, I'm going to tell Principal Ma'am about it. Okay? Because they are going on turning on the mic and telling this. All must learn. Okay, how to behave in class. Now, we are just going to start writing in classwork note, certain fill in the blanks. Then if we have time, we'll ask questions. And today's Cyrus' birthday, after English class, we'll sing for him. Not English class, EVS class. Yes, please take out your classwork note and write in the margin 22. In the margin 22, today's date. Don't write CW note. 22. 1. That's enough. In your classwork note, everybody must write 22-1. That's all. Now, fill in the blanks. You don't write all together one by one. One by one. Write the question, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Yes. Fill in the blanks. You have to leave one line in between all these. Okay, you have to leave a line. So after fill in the blanks, leave one line. Number 1. I want John Matthew. John, please turn on your mic. John. John Matthew. At least say yes, ma'am. Children, I'm telling you, when I call your name, you have to be present because internal marks will be given like that for each question. Kevin Johnson, Kevin. Kevin.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The first one. 1 hour equals how many minutes? How many
60,
minutes?
ma'am. 60.
Yes. Please write neatly. After writing 1 hour equals, by the side, you write 60 minutes. Neatly. Leave space. 1 hour. Only the first one you have to write. Only the first one. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Leave one line, number 2. You have to learn this fully this Saturday, Sunday. Then only we can continue with the same time. Now, number 2. Kushagra, can you tell me how many? No, 1 minute equals dash seconds. 1 minute. Kushagra,
Ma'am.
Can you tell me the answer for that? 1 minute equals dash seconds.
Ma'am. What? Ma'am, 50 minutes, ma'am.
How many?
Ma'am, 50 minutes.
60. When you speak, you must be clear. 60 or 50? 60. 60 seconds. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Now please write. I want to see you all writing. Please write only these two. Don't write anything else. Sanjay, after Akshara, shall I remove you? You're talking in between. How will you learn? Yes, Sanjay, after writing these two, you have to show me the notebook. Even Kevin, Rahil, only 3 children. Others should not raise your book. Just sit quietly over there.
Okay, ma'am.
In a new page, Sanjay, Krishna, Kevin and Rahil, after writing these two questions with the answers, fill in the blanks, 1 and 2. Only 1 and 2. After 1, leave a line for 2. I want to see your notebook. Because all want to go to the recording and do. No.
Ma'am, which page number?
Sona, it's classwork note, Sona. In between, when you join, don't disturb. It's classwork note. I just now I started, right? Today's date in the margin and start only 1 and 2. Fill in the blanks. Okay, Sona? Classwork note, you just start. Hurry up because other children would have finished the first 2. Kevin, show me. Kevin, no. Leave a line and write the second one. That's what I asked you to show. Erase. You have to leave one line. Erase and write number 2. Leave a line. Tridip, show me. Tridip, show me a notebook. Tridip, did you leave a line?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me your notebook. Why are you not showing? Show. I want to see 1 and 2 in your notebook. What happened, Tridip? Show me a notebook. Closer. You didn't write. I cannot see. No, this side. No, I cannot see, Tridip. Just in front of your face, you keep your book. Then I'll be able to see. Why didn't you write? Write soon. See,
Ma'am,
show you're not writing, right? Yes. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Right. Fill in the blanks question and leave a line number 1. Leave a line number 2. Kailina, show me your notebook. See, I'm just going on telling nobody's doing it. Show me. Very good, Kailina. Who asked you to write third one, Kailina? I'm going to cut mark for you. Who asked you to write third one? Be a good girl. Only the first one and the second one. Sanjay, did you complete? Sanjay, Krishna. Sona, write soon. Rahil, you are not supposed to show any instruments in class.
no, ma'am.
I saw you taking one binocular and seeing things and all that. Don't do it. No. I saw you. Just don't do it. Some plaything. Okay, now. Kushagra, did you complete? Only 1 and 2.
Yes,
Show me your notebook, Kushagra. Yes. Don't be in a hurry. Only 1 and 2. We'll go back to the Cyrus. Did you leave a line in between 1 and 2? Show me your notebook. Sona, stop all that and write. Cyrus, show me. Yes. Number 3. அவங்க இல்லடா பிளாஸ்டிக் போச்சு இங்கே நாங்க பிளாஸ்டிக் போச்சு நான் தரேன் சார் நானும் நாங்க போயிட்டாங்க Now, number three, the dash hand tells the time in hours. Ansh John, can you tell me the answer? Ansh John? Ansh? Sri Mugilan, tell me the third one. The dash hand tells the time in hours. Jeff, I don't know what's happening to all these
Yes,
children.
ma'am.
Jeff, tell me the answer.
The shorthand tells the time in hours.
Shorthands. So instead of shorthands, you can even write, okay, in hours. Go, very good, shorthands. The shorthands tell the time in hours. That is also called hour hand. Shand is also called hour hand. Okay, shorthand. Very good, Jeff. Please write slowly and neatly. I will just answer 4. I will ask Kanira. Tell me, Kanira.
Ma'am,
Tell me. The long hand tells the time in dash.
the long hand tells the time in minutes.
Very good, Kanira. So, 1 minute, you write that. I will give the answer later. Minutes. It's coming after 7 only. That answer will enter. Okay. You write the spelling Minutes. Now, when I finish all the 7, I'll tell you. Please write. I will wait. You can write minute spelling. I'll tell you the spelling Minutes. Slowly. You write when it comes to the answer you ask me. Write neatly. Once when you join the class, don't be playing children and showing faces and all that. That will disturb everybody. Be good. Sona, where did you reach? First, second or third one?
Third.
Very good. I will wait for everybody. Don't be in a hurry. Write third and fourth one. Yes. Misty,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me fifth answer? Fourth one is minutes, Minutes. That will come after 7th question. Okay. Now tell me fifth one. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 4 hours means how will you find out? 4 into dash minutes. Tell me.
4 into
1 hour is 60. So 4 hours is 4 into what? 4 into 60 minutes. Okay. 1 hour. See, like 1 pen costs 2 rupees. 5 pen costs 5 into 2, 10. Like that. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So how many minutes in 4 hours? 4 into 60.
60 minutes.
Yeah. Okay, Mishti. Next one is Juansri. Same with Juansri. Tell me next one. Sixth one, Juansri.
Ma'am, 2 hours minutes. 2.
Very good. 2 into 60 minutes. To find out how many minutes, you have to multiply the given number into 60. If it is 5 hours, 5 into 60. If it is 8 hours, 8 into 60. Okay, keep in your mind. Now, next question is for Arush Bothra. Arush. Arush. What happened? I saw him. Okay, Tarush. Tarush to be Tarush. Is it
24.
Tarush? Who's this?
Taurus, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me how many hours in a day? In a day.
4 hours, ma'am.
Very good. Now please write. That answer will come. The fourth answer is come. Please write neatly, leaving one by one. Leave one line and good Arush. Sorry, good Tarush. I don't know what happened to Arush. Now please write neatly. I'm just waiting. I just want you to write neatly. Pratika, you have to attend class regularly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Every day you have to attend class because when I call your name, you have to answer. Okay, Pratika? Good girl. Now listen.
Okay, ma'am.
The call is not there. Judas come just now. Please write slowly and neatly. Okay, you can turn off your mic, Pratika. So now don't be tense.
Okay, ma'am.
Write slowly, neatly. Ma'am will wait. After this class, all must take a break. Don't be sitting and playing in class. Kushagra, where did you reach? Which number?
Ma'am, 6th, ma'am.
Okay. Write neatly because every work in your classwork note you will get marked. Jeff, turn off your mic. Yes, I'm waiting. Sanjay, where did you reach? Which one? Which one did you reach? Question number. Cyrus, don't show Cyrus now, then all will be showing. Very good, you keep it down. Yes, keep it down, keep it down. Cyrus, keep the book down. No turn, don't turn on your mic. Sanjay. Hmm.
Ma'am.
Yes, Sanjay. Okay, Sanjay, no need because some problem with
Ma'am, I
the
should read the second one, ma'am.
second one. Right soon. I won't be able to wait for you then. Hurry up. Kushagra, have you completed? Okay, then I'll ask you questions. Okay, let them write that. By the time I'll ask you questions. Okay. Now, where's that book? I have a book over here. Now listen. I just want to know whether anybody knows about quarter. We'll say quarter to 7, quarter past 7 and all that. Ma'am will take in the next class. Quarter, Quarter. That means 15 minutes. Okay. Quarter past 3 means 3:15. By the time children let others write. That's what I'm just talking. Now I just want Kushagra 3:15. By the time children let others write. That's what I'm just talking. Now I just want Kushagra, tell me, December has dash days. Kushagra, how many days in December?
31, ma'am.
Very good, Kushagra. Let me put mark now. Kushagra. JJK. Yeah. Now, May has, it is for Logesh. Can you come to the screen, Logesh? Mithilesh, Lokesh, Mithilesh. Not there. Now, Jeshu Alivan. Jeshu. I don't know what's happening to these children. No. Jeshu Alivan. Johannes Thomas.
Ma'am.
Johan, tell me how many days in May, in the month of May? The month of May.
30.
Yes? No, Johan. May, April, May. Rahel, how many days in May? Rahel. How many days in May? Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good.
31 days.
Okay. Good. Okay, hope all would have completed. I'm just waiting for other children to complete. Now, next one. Now, Sai Wasabi, where are you? Sai Wasabi. Sona, did you complete? Sona.
Yeah.
Sona, right soon, Sona. Only 2 minutes more. Then I'll have to close and go for the next class. Sai Wasabi, can you tell me? Can you tell me? I'm going to ask you a question. Can you answer? Sai Vasavi is not there. Okay, Shashwata.
Class is ready.
Shashwata.
Yes, ma'am.
In a leap year, how many days we have in the month of February? In a leap year. One minute, Shashwata. Jeshu, Sona, Jeff, please turn off your mic. Yes. Shashwata, in a leap year, how many days we have in the month of February?
28.
Leap year means 366 days, okay? So February has 1 day more. Okay.
29.
29. It's all right, 29. Always keep in your mind, in a leap year, February has 29 days. Okay, all other years, we have only 28. Now, children, you must keep all this in your mind. Then only you'll be able to do. One important thing I want to tell you is, don't sit in class
Yes.
and play. I
Feel
don't
only-
want anybody to sit in
Yeah.
class. When you all
Yes,
must,
கையை நல்லா போடு.
1 minute, please turn off your mic. You have to leave the classroom as soon as I tell you to leave. Then only I can put the link for you and I can put PPT, all that. Okay. You no need to sit and do faces over there. Now it's already time. No need to tell. Thank you, ma'am. You can leave the class.
இருக்கு.
I will check all. Some parents are talking in between.